Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models, the DUMOS Ice Maker and the OLIXIS Ice Maker. Both are designed to provide you with quick and convenient ice production, making them perfect for home use, camping, or RV trips. We'll dive into their features, performance, and design to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. Both the DUMOS and OLIXIS ice makers offer impressive daily ice production capabilities. The DUMOS can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in a day, while the OLIXIS slightly trails with a capacity of 26 pounds. This means that the DUMOS has a slight edge in terms of overall output, making it a great choice for larger gatherings or events. When it comes to speed, both the DUMOS and OLIXIS ice makers shine, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid production ensures that you won't have to wait long for your ice, whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a refreshing drink on a hot day. Both models are designed for portability, making them ideal for home use, camping, or RV trips. The DUMOS features a vibrant green color and a convenient carry handle, while the OLIXIS boasts a sleek white design that is slightly more compact in height. This makes the OLIXIS a better fit for tighter spaces, while the DUMOS offers a larger water tank for less frequent refills. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and OLIXIS ice makers offer fantastic features for anyone in need of a portable ice solution. The DUMOS stands out with its larger water tank and slightly higher daily output, while the OLIXIS impresses with its compact design and durable materials. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.